It actually kicked in about 8:30 a.m. Eastern, right above here. We got the trigger, and you see here the market made a very aggressive push. Here was your little dipper move, and then boom. So we had two very clear signals for getting in New York. Ironically enough, there really wasn't very much going on in Europe today. The big move, relatively speaking, happened over here in New York. So for New York traders, depending on where you got in, here's the initial move. There's enough to take off. Whoops. To take off our first position. Let me move this out of the way. Almost. So right in there, and that was right after this initial move. So the market, boom, moved up very, very quickly, enough to exit the first position. If your stop was at break even, again, depending on your broker, you may or may not have gotten stopped out. And then we had the secondary move where prices pushed up again. There's about 44 pips. So if you held on for the whole move relatively, if you held on all the way through to the end of the session, you're looking at anywhere from 70 to 75 points. If you got in a little bit later at the little dipper, you're looking here at about 56 or 57 pips. So some pretty good trading all in all in New York. As I said, Europe didn't really see a whole lot. Coming into tomorrow's session, again, we've got to watch out for this 9,800 level. That's coming all the way back here on the hourly chart again, 1.9800. I'm suspecting at this point that resistance will break. Reason being is our support held. If we focus on the daily bar, if you remember, we were looking at a possible breakout here, and it looks like we could be in store for a test move or a test of support and then a move to the upside. So while I am looking for resistance down here at 9,800, I'm also realizing that we might get the market breaking out. So I want to watch for 3-bar reversals as